Welcome to C4 number 2 for 3rd grade.
Parent and Family Engagement Standards. Cameron County Schools has adopted the National PTA Standards for Family School Partnerships as the county's model for engaging parents, students, and the community. These standards are welcoming all families through communicating effectively, supporting student success, speaking up for every child, sharing power, and collaborating with community.
These are our meeting outcomes. We're going to talk about reading, writing, math, Georgia milestone, and your students' data. This is our parent partnership night. The impact of partnering is so important. You can find more information on our KES website, and these are our links to our parent compact and our engagement plan.
And we'll send those out through Dojo as well to make it easy for you to access them.
AR Star, your child has expectations every week to meet AR goal or goals. Your child's goal is individual to them and it does change. So please make sure that you're asking your child each night when you are reading for 20 minutes about their goal. Thank you for your support.
So iReady Reading is an amazing program. Most of you are familiar with it. We do devote two periods of 45 minutes per week because research shows that if you do that, it raises their test scores and gives them their best chance for passing the milestones. So we do that, and we want them to take that seriously, and we reward them with really cool, they get to spin the wheel for fun things that they choose. So iReady is an important part of our instruction.
We also have Study Island. Study Island offers ELA, science, social studies, and math, but we are really pushing their blue ribbons in Study Island ELA. So if you are asking your child about their target topics, this is what they're talking about. If they mention it, if you need more assistance, please message us.
So what is the Georgia milestones? Well, that's an important question because this is the very first year that 3rd graders will take the test for the first time. They don't have it in K1 and 2. So there are some pretty strict and stringent requirements that are put on the students, and we're doing everything we can to get them prepared, especially in light of them having missed so much for COVID and all of that. So what is expected from my 3rd grader? When they come that day to take the milestones, please make sure they've had plenty of rest, they're awake and alert, and we want to start the day positively so that when they come to school, they're in their best frame of mind, they have confidence and a great attitude. They should have something to eat. We have breakfast here at school, and we just want to make sure that every child has their best chance to make their best score on this test. The Georgia milestone requires these types of writing: constructed response, informational and opinion essay, narrative writing, or narrative essay. Understand that these are very difficult for the students. We are working diligently on them. It would be great if you could have a conversation, ask them what they know about those things, how they feel about them, try to encourage them to talk and express their thoughts.
You'll find your child's map data included in the packet. It includes math, language arts reading, and some have language arts language usage. If you have any questions about the scores and how your child ranks compared to the county and our school, please message us.
Math fluency. This semester we're focusing more on division facts, but including our multiplication facts as well. This is how your child tracks their multiplication and division facts for this semester. Please encourage your child to practice their flashcards every night and to do their homework because this helps with their fluency. And in 3rd grade, multiplication and division facts are so important. They'll use them in 4th and 5th grade. It is honestly the key to math success.
To communicate mathematically means to use words and mathematical symbols. Mostly we want you to talk to your child about how they get an answer, such as when you're doing homework with them, ask them how they know and to show their works. We often encourage students to use drawings to explain their understanding and different models. And if they're more on the ELA spectrum, you can ask them to write about their reasoning. Also, the role you play is so important. So be a good listener to your child. Encourage them to talk about what they are working on. Listen to their explanations and ask us if you need any help with any key vocabulary. We can provide you with a list of math words that might be challenging for your student. When in doubt, use a dictionary or a glossary to help you when you don't know the vocabulary your child is using.
This is our iReady math data for the school year. So you'll see from August to January how the third grade in general has increased. Ms. Davis touched on how important this iReady program is because it uses an individual pathway to fill in any gaps that students have been missing. And so it's a great thing to encourage your child to do really well on their iReady, to try and to listen and to put in their best effort, because it really does make a difference. And seeing these graphs, you can clearly see how much green's grown from August to January and how our red has decreased.
These are the programs that we use in all of our classrooms. So we use iReady for math and reading, Moby Max, Study Island, and Accelerated Reader, which is known as AR.
So if you'd like to communicate with us, you know that we have our class dojo. Here are our emails. We try to get back with you and communicate with you as much as possible. You can check our third grade website. We also communicate with our third grade Facebook page. We just want you to be informed, and we want to be in touch with you, and we don't want you to have questions. So please contact us if you have any concerns. Thank you for watching.